The big thing, stick of blood, cutting down motherfuckers like a lawnmower. It's back, and leaving no slack when I attack your hip-hop scene like a guillotine. Cut you down cause the rhyme can't hang you. Try to strain your brain, but you still got slain. Being beat, the rhyme heavyweight, ready to penetrate. Set you straight on the stage when I annihilate those with weak wax, soft jack, rhyme attack. Thought it was over, but now I'm coming back, yo. The rhyme fanatic is tragic. When I start to throw poetry, time to stop it so you know me. Dropping a dope rhyme that hits you like moonshine. You faded in addicted and now you're trying to get mine. I'ma keep coming, I'm dope, you can't come. You better grab your hat and run, you're done to the law, son. The demonstration, my command, DMV is on a mission. You wanna get the new style, listen. He and the mafia's on the scene, but we don't fucking dance. You wanna hear some dope, here's the thing. South Central hip-hop is poetry and emotions on the map. You step the fuck back, you're whack, you're what? You're through, I can grab some shit from 88 and play your crew, cause that's how dope I am. And don't forget, the PAB-LP still hits, but I'ma come at you now with the new style. Here and there, you're making suckers wanna bow. Putting suckers out from a straight right fist to the motherfucking mouth. Without a doubt, we some bad motherfuckers. I'm not here to suck a motherfucking snatcher. Since you on the dick, I'm a hacker. A dope rhyme coming at you, knocking motherfuckers out quickly, swiftly. Don't even try to get with me, cause I'm a terminator. When it comes to getting up on this microphone, leave it alone, I'm in my own zone. Don't mean to threaten you, but wonder about the type of shit that I be throwing. Brothers is thinking, but not knowing that I can compete. Have a seat for yourself, B, and listen to the words I manifest dopely. All in your ear, making motherfuckers disappear. I'm making it clear, this is P&M fucking here. Smooth, don't plan to lose a groove on the microphone. Leave it alone before you get your fucking head blown off your shoulders and trying to compete with the DMV. Your whole damn crew can't even save me, cause I be going and going and showing and growing. White motherfuckers in the trade out the door for trying to step up like you had a fucking girl's bill. Here it's real, now you know the motherfucking deal. This